In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wispr with ChatGPT. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Wispr app, and then you want to go into settings, bottom left here, and then if you go into system, you can go ahead and show the flow bar at all times, just so you know, and you can be sure that it actually works, okay? Now, whenever you do that, you simply want to open up ChatGPT. I have a separate chat over here, and you want to click in here, so of course, where you can ask anything, and you can just hold down your Control plus Windows key on your keyboard, and you can start asking it whatever you want, or you can start typing in whatever you want. So, for example, I'm going to ask a simple question: who is the current NBA leading scorer for this 2026 season? And as you can see, there we go, it typed in exactly that. And if I now were to basically send this, I've successfully done it, okay? So that's actually very, very cool. What you can also do is the following. If you have the special command mode enabled, if you have like the pro version and you have that enabled, you'll be able to edit this text as well, okay? So if I open up Wispr right now, there we go, it's here in the back. I want to go into settings. I want to go into experimental, and then here command mode, if I enable this, I can go and of course edit that as well. So if I go back to ChatGPT, I can highlight this text, and I can just go and basically change whatever I want with this. So I could, for example, say, and by the way, you have to hold down Control plus Windows plus Alt key for this to be able to work. So I'm just going to say, translate this question into Spanish. And it's going to take a few seconds, and then it's going to translate this part into Spanish. And of course, I could go and tell it to extend this or whatever I want, okay? And that is actually very, very convenient. Now, what's also very cool is you could just press Control Z, and it's going to basically go back. So if I go and I, for example, tell it to elaborate this question, it's going to just basically extend it, etc. So you can use this command mode to kind of help you with prompting as well, in case you need to make things more concise, maybe explain in more detail, etc. Okay, so that's essentially how to use Wispr with ChatGPT. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.